If Opera browser notifications are getting a little too distracting, or you just want a quieter browsing experience, this video is going to show you exactly how to turn them off step by step. By the end, you'll know how to stop websites from sending notification pop-ups in Opera, so you can browse without all the interruptions. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Opera browser and look at the top left corner for the Opera logo, the red O icon. Click that icon to open the main menu. From the drop-down list, click Settings. This takes you to Opera's browser settings, where you can control different privacy and notification options. On the left-hand menu sidebar, find and click Privacy and Security. This section includes the tools that manage how websites interact with your browser. Now move to the center pane and scroll down until you see Site Settings. Click on it to open the permissions controls for websites. Inside Site Settings, scroll down to the Permissions section and click Notifications. This is where Opera lets you decide whether sites can ask to send alerts and pop-ups. To fully turn off browser notifications, change the default rule to Don't allow sites to send notifications. Once you select that option, websites will no longer be able to send notification requests in the usual way, which helps keep your browser cleaner and less distracting. And that's it. You've now turned off Opera browser notifications. If this guide saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.